So here's what you know and here's what you don't know. The bike's been a running project for about a week. It is fucking freezing out here. I've ruined the pole start, so another one's on the way as well as a new cab. We're gonna go for a little ride. We have the GoPro mounted on the helmet for the first time. I hate these things. I don't wear these much, but for the kids out there, safety first, obviously. They have definitely saved me from a few accidents, but it's icy as fuck out here if you can't tell. Been having snow last couple of days, so we got to get it down the driveway and down the road some, because like I said, the pole start is destroyed, so we're gonna have to bump start it. But we're gonna go for a little ride and head up to the grandfather's. I gotta adjust the mount and stuff for the back part of the exhaust come a little loose, so God, it's slick out here. Nothing but ice. I didn't think that'd work. What the fuck? What even happened? My shit is not that fucking loose. Holy fuck. What the hell? Jane Street. Oh. I guess we can tighten them up. Luckily I have my tools with me. To get her up to the garage anyway. We are back up and tight again. Let's see if we can't get this the rest of the way to the garage. I really need brakes. God, I hope that's on video. Alright, minor difficulty, chain come loose on the way out. Not a big deal. Until I can think of something permanent, I'm just wrapping some fucking wire around this thing. You know what I mean? But she come loose on me, so I'm just gonna wrap it a little tighter. And then we'll take her to the store and then probably back home because it is actually really cold out. Hopefully in the video you can see I wouldn't take that corner after we got it started from tightening the chain back up, and the whole ass end started spinning and kicked free on the dirt there. Well, it was sand on pavement, but it was freaking sweet. I really hope you can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna just tighten up that that little hanger we got made up there, and then we'll get back on the road to the store. Look at that. Honestly, guys, the thing isn't too bad. I'm kind of disappointed with that carburetor, so I'm very happy with the one we got on the way tomorrow. New pull start, we won't have to bump start it anymore, but the thing just gets up and goes until, for some reason, it doesn't. But I imagine it has a lot to do with all the crap that tire's kicking up and no air filter on the car. So, we'll get that taken care of, but for now, let's get our asses home. Jesus Christ! Oh, I'd say a little clutch, just a little too hard. Just a little bit. It's been confirmed. The top speed, as of right now, is about 35 miles an hour. It still had a little bit more to it, and due to the vibration, I didn't feel very comfortable hitting it, but I did have it at 31 miles an hour. It had more to it. It was still trying to accelerate. 35, I think, is about what she's pulling right now. We can still drop the sprocket like 10 teeth. So, we're looking at a pretty decent gain gear ratio wise. That's not including the new carb on the way, the exhaust, all the crazy shit I have planned. So, tomorrow we will start working on a new video, get a new top speed out, you know, whatever. But for now, that's all I got. A little bit of play in the snow. Didn't go on a biggest ride, but with the way that chain stretches once every 3 rides, it's almost not worth it to go too far. I'm not extremely confident. I heard from a buddy, you can get stretched chains right down the parts store not far from me. So I might look into that. But for now, thanks anyway for watching. Next time on Small Speed.